Wait, it fell down.
Oh no.
Ah!
Alright.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it's a special day because I have someone to accompany me. Say hi, hello Kevin.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
It's really cold this morning. It's minus 13 degrees the last time I checked, but we're going to have a casual day of going here and there, and I'm going to take you along with me in the journey. So I'll see you again later. Bye bye. So we are at the bus station and we're waiting for the bus to come. So the first thing that we're going to do is to send postcard. So the bus in China usually costs vary between 1 to 2 yuan, and then for a foreigner like me, it's quite difficult to actually understand which bus goes where. So the trick is to actually remember the number and then try to just get in the bus and then to see which bus stop that usually they go to, and that's how you try to figure out and navigate yourself using a bus in China. I've got my postcard here and we have arrived at the China Post, so let's get into it. So we are inside of the mall and we're trying to get milk tea because it's too cold outside, so probably getting some milk tea for Kevin and I would be nice. 2个茶，还奶人，哪个茶还是奶茶？奶茶对不对？奶茶还有黑色宝宝。哦啊，那边不是啊。我要红茶。What do you want? Red tea, green tea, or乌龙茶？
Where are you again?
红茶。Red tea.
Yeah, sure.
啊，红茶2个有红茶。星期六还有呢，星期三我工作啥？啥？这个啥？工作日啊，星期六、星期三我是这个。Alright guys, so we are going to get a lunch and we're thinking of actually something different than just Chinese food, and I think having sushi for lunch would be nice. So this will be an interesting information for you too if you want to get something different other than Chinese food in China. my sushi has arrived, and let's just try to get right into it. Look, we have plenty of, I don't think it's a caviar, but I have my soy sauce here, and let's try to dip in. Have a taste. I like the combination between sweet and salty. The sweet taste came from the mayonnaise, and then the salty one comes from the soy sauce. So it's a great blend. So if you are thinking of moving to China, you have to understand that the location in each city is different. For example, in Incheon, it's located quite in the middle of China, and it's close to the desert. It is actually located in the desert, and getting a sushi like this, a fresh one, is quite difficult. And let's just try to taste one. I'm going to taste my tuna sushi here. Let's dip it in the soy sauce. Sweet. It's not fishy. It's also a great blend of taste from this soy sauce. So I've just eaten at a sushi place here, and it was really good actually, for especially a sushi place in a small city like Incheon. So now let's get to another place, and we're going to find something that I can't really name, but yeah, let's get into it. So if you live in a smaller city in China, don't worry too much. We are currently inside of the mall, a typical mall in China. You still can find stores like Uniqlo, if you're familiar with the brand. Also, H&M. So currently we are at a underground type of store under the mall itself, and a lot of the sellers are selling electronics, cameras. So I'm trying to figure out whether they are selling something that I'm looking for. So yeah, we'll see. Alright guys, that's pretty much a typical day in China, pretty much, especially in a smaller city like this. But thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you check out my Patreon account and my other social media. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye bye!屋里，你俩在跳，张霞在跳，看不是你俩放的。 Is it shooting? No, okay. Sorry. I don't know how to explain this.